What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with another video. Over the past 7 months, millions and millions of Americans have lost their jobs, many of which will never come back. Those jobs will be gone forever. It is because of this pandemic and these freak scenarios that many people that do not have a side income or a side hustle need to get one now. If you do not have one, I highly recommend you get one today. Now, the side hustle of your choosing can be anything that you desire. However, in today's video, I'm going to show you 7 great side hustles that you can do from the comfort of your own home. Currently, here in the United States, we have an unemployment rate of 6.9%. That means out of every 100 people, 7 people are currently unemployed and are looking for a way to make money. And I guarantee you, if these 7 people figured out a way to make some money through a side hustle, they would be better off than they are currently right now. Also, out of these 7 people, I can tell you from experience, if 7 people started a side hustle, 2 of those people would continue and 5 would quit. I don't want you to be one of those 5. I want you to be one of those 2 that makes that side hustle a success. Now, there are a couple tricks to making money and becoming successful. The first trick is you have to smash that like button. It just works. It's just, positive thinking, and it's just the way the YouTube algorithm works. Seriously though, hitting the like button is just doing me a favor. It doesn't really help you. It doesn't make you any more successful. It just helps me here on this channel. So if you hit that button, thank you. You're greatly appreciated. Now let's jump into the 7 side hustles that you can do right now from the comfort of your home to make an income. I just want to make it perfectly clear, none of these 7 ideas are in order. They're all scattered. They're just a mix of different ideas that I think you can do right now to make money from the comfort of your home. So just understand, I'm not listing them from the best to worst or worst to best. This is just the way it works. So, idea number 1 is a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant can make anywhere between $30 and $100 per hour. Now, you're probably wondering, well, what does a virtual assistant actually do? A virtual assistant can do just about anything, and they can do it virtually, which means somebody in Boston can hire somebody down in Texas to do some work for them. Somebody in New York can hire somebody in Los Angeles to do some work for them. They do not have to be in the same location. The best part about becoming a virtual assistant is you can do things like Photoshop, data entry, research. You can even do Facebook posts for a company or an individual, and they will pay you anywhere between $30 and $100 per hour to do that. Now, what I personally like about becoming a virtual assistant, because I used to be a virtual assistant, granted it was very short-lived, but it was a great income. What I like about it is you can jump in with pretty much no experience, and people will teach you how to do whatever it is they want you to do. The downside, and the reason why I ultimately quit, is because you are getting paid hourly. You are trading your hours and your time for a paycheck. I don't like to do that, and I don't recommend it to other people, but it's a great way to make money, and it's a great starter income or starter business. So if you don't mind trading hours for income, becoming a virtual assistant might be the best opportunity for you. Next, we have becoming a YouTube compilation video creator. A compilation video creator can make anywhere between $10,000 per year and $75,000 plus per year putting a compilation video together. You're probably wondering, well, what is this? This sounds very technical. This sounds very different and tough to learn. It's actually not. Here's what you need to understand about becoming a YouTube compilation video creator is you go and you create videos. Now, what you do, you don't shoot a video like a talking head video like this. What you do is you go and you find clips. You go and find pictures and articles and different things like that. And you compile them together. That's the compilation. So you go and take video clips from a site like pexels.com. You go and get images that you can reuse and repurpose for commercial use on Google. You go and get free music and sounds from a website called bensound.com, and you compile all those images and videos and sounds together and make a lengthy video. For example, something over the 10-minute mark, anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes. And you can start to make money from this. The best part about this is there's many people that do it right now. I personally do it myself on 3 different channels. Now, you probably have never seen them. You've probably never seen these videos. You never heard me talk. You've never seen my face on these videos. And the reason is because I don't show my face and I do not talk. I create videos on things like hotels and travel and cooking and meals and meal prepping, things like that. And I compile all these videos together, and all these different clips and videos and images and sounds and just different techniques and products and all these things. I put them all together, make the lengthy video about 10 to 15 minutes long, and I publish it on YouTube. Now, the way I make money is I get paid very little for YouTube ad revenue. The way you make money is, for example, when I post a travel video and I talk about traveling to the Middle East or to somewhere in Central America or Canada or the Philippines, wherever. Whenever I create a video, my goal is to sell a product. In most cases, I am promoting luggage. So I go and promote luggage that you can get on Amazon for anywhere between $100 to $300. And when it sells, I make a small commission. So that's where I'm making the bulk of my money, is from affiliate marketing. So a YouTube compilation video creator can make a lot of money. It does take a little bit of time. It takes a little bit of effort to get started, but once you do it, it can make you a full-time income. The third one is a freelance writer. Many people question me and wonder, what does a freelance writer do? How do I get started? It's actually pretty simple. All you do is you type. That's all you do. You write articles, you write blog posts, emails, newsletters, Facebook pages or posts, things like that, and you give them to whoever's buying them. And the best part about this is you can write in English and Spanish and French and Italian and German and Russian. It doesn't matter. The sky's the limit. You almost have no limit when it comes to freelance writing. Now, in order to get started, what I recommend, because a freelance writer can make anywhere between $15 to $75 an hour, or you can make upwards of $50 for a 5 to 1,000 word article. It's a very lucrative business, and you can make a lot of money. If you're good at research, you're good at writing, and you're quick at typing, you can make a full-time income in half the time that you would if you work a regular 9-to-5 job. Here's what I recommend you do. I have 2 main websites that I really like. The first one is called Upwork.com. I've been using this for years, absolutely love it, I highly recommend it. The second website is called Textbroker.com. This is a very entry-level website to get into. Sometimes they are accepting new writers, sometimes they are not, but go and apply, see if you do get accepted. If you do, start writing and start making some money. The next great side hustle idea you can do to make some extra income from home is to sell handcrafted products from home and do it online. I have done this before, and I made anywhere from $10 to $40 per handcrafted product. Now you're probably wondering, well, where do I sell this stuff? I don't know how to do this. My recommendation to selling any handcrafted product is to go to a website called Etsy.com. I use them all the time. I highly recommend them. It's a great website, and it's a great passive income because you can create the product one time or multiple times. You can sell it, ship it, and profit from these products. I'm just going to give you one of the products that I've created in the past that I no longer create. Myself and a business partner or a friend, we'd go and we'd create tile drink coasters. We'd take a 12 by 12 tile, we'd cut it into 4s, and we'd go and grind down the edges, shine them up, make it really nice, put little button pads on the back, so they wouldn't scratch up a coffee table or any other table, and we'd sell those. We'd sell those for anywhere from $25 to like $49 each for a pack of 4 to 8. And so it's a great income. You can make anything that you want, maybe birdhouses, pictures, picture frames, coasters, whatever you decide, whatever you know how to create, that would be a great place to start. One tip that I have for you guys is don't just create one listing. If you have one listing, you might sell 1, 2, maybe 5 products a day. But if you have 10 different listings for different products, you will continue to make sales. And like I said, if you can make anywhere from $10 to $40 to $50 on each product, if you have 10 different listings and you're selling 1 of each product every single day, you could potentially make $400 to $500 per day in profit just selling products on Etsy. The next easy side hustle that you can do to start making extra income from home is to become an online tutor. Online tutors can make anywhere between $15 and $100 per hour. Now you're probably thinking, okay, I do not have a college degree, I'm not a professor, I don't have my doctorate. How do I get into becoming a tutor? It's actually very simple. I'm not telling you to go to something like tutor.com and try to apply. I'm telling you to go to facebook.com on your personal Facebook page and just put out a post to your following, to everyone that likes your page, and say, hey, I'm going to start doing some tutoring for this age through this age. If you have a child that needs some help, let me know. These are my rates. This is what I charge. This is when I'm available. And we can do it all from Zoom. The best part about this, and it's something that a lot of people don't really understand, the best part about this, doing it through Facebook, is that you can get people that you know. You can get people that already know you and trust you. So it means it's easier to get in the door. And once they start seeing results with their child, then their friends, their family members will probably trust you as well. Now here's my advice. You want to do things like math, you want to do things like foreign language, and you want to do things like science. Those are the three things that are going to pay you the best. You can get into language arts and different things like that, and that's fine. However, math, science, and foreign language will be the most profitable for you, and I guarantee that. The next great side hustle you can do from the comfort of your own home to start making some extra income is to do stock trading. Now, a lot of people question me and wonder, why do I do stock trading? Because you gotta have a boatload of money in the stock market in order to make money. That's not necessarily true. I have taught people that only had $100, $500, and even $1,000 in the stock market to start. And they've been able to make some money, to profit off of this little side hustle. They wake up early in the morning, they make a few trades, they go in and out of the market, and they're done within 20 minutes. And the next day they'll come in, maybe they'll sell off their position. And it's a great way to make some money. You can easily make anywhere from 10 to 20, 50, 100, 200, $500,000 per day. I'm here to tell you, you do not have to start trading with your own money though. The best part about stock trading is there's platforms out there that you can use, that you can sign up with today, and they will give you free stocks or money to start trading. For example, I'll put a link down in the description box below. You can go sign up with a website. It's a free website. It's called Webull.com. On Webull.com, they will give you 3 stocks worth up to $1,600 a piece. Yes, that means you could potentially make over $4,800 from 3 stocks just by signing up with Webull. All you gotta do is click on that link down in the description box below, deposit $100, and they will give you 3 stocks valued anywhere between $800 and $1,600 each. Now I know a lot of people are gonna question and wonder, well, what kind of stocks do I buy? Here's my advice to you. Look at the stock market and see where stocks are trading. Find, let's say, 10 stocks that you really like. You know a little about the company, you know a little bit about the product. You follow them, for example, Apple, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Amazon, something like that. You go in and you watch the stock for about a week, and you will start to see it has a trend. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, and it moves around all over the place. What you need to do, and what I do, what I love to do, is the stock market will go up and down, and when I see it dips, I'm gonna buy this dip. I'm gonna look and see, why is it dipping? Oh, there was an earnings report and it didn't come out as great as they were expecting. That's why a lot of investors are selling. Okay, so when it dips, I'm gonna buy here, so when I ride it up, then I can sell it up here maybe a day, 2 days, or a week later, and I make some money. That's what I do. I don't look into all this technical analysis and look into graphs and charts. I pretty much look to see how I can ride the wave and make money on the dips. And it's a great way, it's a great strategy if you have a little bit of money. Because if you have a little bit of money, you don't have the time to go and invest hours and hours of time looking into different stocks, their charts, their earnings, their graphs, and to predict what it's going to do, especially if you're only going to invest $100. It just wouldn't be worth your time. But if you can go and ride that dip, get it down here, ride it up, and sell it up here, you can make a boatload of money. And that's what I personally love to do. And the 7th side hustle that you can do easily from the comfort of your own home to make some extra income is to sell products on a website called Amazon FBA. What Amazon FBA is, they allow you to send them products They will fulfill it, they will hold it in their warehouse, and when it sells, they will fulfill that order, they will ship it out to the customer, and you get paid. Amazon FBA is great because you can make anywhere from $5 to let's say $200, $250 per product that you sell. Personally, I love to sell electronics, I love to sell shoes, I love to sell home goods and toys and tools. That's my specialty. That's what I love to do. And here's the best part about Amazon FBA. You can start with, let's say, 5 or 10 different products. For example, I just taught a friend of mine to go and sell on Amazon FBA. He only had $200, so we took his $200, we bought some toys that he could actually sell on Amazon FBA. Went to Target, he pulled out his phone, he had the Amazon app, he'd scan the different barcodes to see, okay, this product is selling for, let's say, $50 on Amazon, but it's only $14.97 at Target. All right, that's a good deal. If I buy that, I can send it off to Amazon and I can make some money. You can make about $20 on that product. So he ended up buying, I think, 3 or 4 of those products, and he was able to make a decent amount of money from this. Again, this is just one product. He's one product, he bought a quantity of 3 to 4, and he's gonna do fairly well. And you can do this exact same thing. Again, Amazon FBA is for anybody. Anybody can sell on Amazon. Most people don't realize this, but on Amazon, the prices are usually higher on specific products than they are at places like Target, Walmart, Kohl's, big lots, things like that. You can go and find a great deal on a bunch of products, and most people don't realize this. And the real trick to making more money on Amazon FBA is not to go and find the more profitable products. That's easy, that's great. The way to make more money is to buy more products. You buy more, you ship more off to Amazon, they sell more, you make more money. It's a very simple process, and it's just a cycle, and it easily repeats. So there you guys go. Those are the 7 easy side hustles you can do right now from the comfort of your own home to start making an extra income. But let me know, what do you think? Which one of these 7 side hustle ideas do you personally prefer, and do you think you can make more money from? Are you going to at least try one of these 7 side hustle ideas, or are you going to try something else, or just continue on the path that you've been going so far? Maybe you're making money, maybe you're not. But the key here is you get to decide what you get to do for the rest of your life. Now, if you need help with any one of these 7 side hustle ideas, let me know. You can always comment down in the comment section below. I will help you out the best that I can, but if you do not ask the questions, I can't answer those questions for you. So I just want to thank you guys for watching today's video. Do me a favor, go ahead, smash that thumbs up button if you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you subscribe so I can keep you updated on different ways to make money from home, and I'll see you guys on the next one.